Hey bro, what's up? Hey, I just wanted to give you an update on what's been going on with your website. I did this blog in October. I'm gonna do more blogs. They certainly help. Uh, the more you're on the net, the higher your rankings. Um, I think this is all the same stuff I've had. Okay, so I did. I want to give you an update on your matrix, your numbers. Last time I sent you a video. This is your YouTube channel. You need to get some more videos. Um, this is what I sent you in September. We had 156 backlinks. The website was rated at an 8, and we had 11 referring domains. Today we've got 16 referring domains, so I've added a few more. I've added almost double the backlinks, and they're really good backlinks. 95% are do follows, which is great. And then we climbed up a few points on the rating, and this just has to do with trust. And the Google, the engine search, and they expose you if you have a higher trust rate. So the higher the numbers, obviously, the higher the trust, and they'll you know show you when people search for certain keywords, and that's what it's about. Just getting these numbers to climb higher and higher and higher, and then I also get emails, like I was telling you. Where are you? Yeah, I get emails from Google about Mr. Clean to make sure Mr. Clean Pool Service make sure that you're still in business and want me to do updates and such. Um, they send things to work on to help stay relevant, suggestions. This is kind of cool, they sent this last month. 734 people found you on Google, and it's kind of cool. So, again, this is pretty cool for us as young as the website and the GMB is. That's pretty substantial. And yeah, so they send me stuff to make sure that you're still in business. Are you gonna have special hours on Thanksgiving and anyway and so on. So anyway, I'm on this. I get on it when I get it when I get the requirements or the requests. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the matrix, the latest. I know you were concerned about making sure you got the calls because you lost that one person that was referring your business. Hopefully, you're getting the calls and your pool count is growing. You were at 70 something last time we spoke, so hopefully it continues to grow, brother. All right, man. Have a good one, and I'll send this to you, and we'll talk soon. Bye.